And I'm here to tell you that no matter what you're facing in life, that you can overcome it because you are made for greatness. Sometimes these things that happen in life, we may not understand why they're happening at the moment, but there is positive moments that come out of them. And if you can focus on the positives and smile, you can get through. Greatness requires intense trying. So just remember, accept it, smile through it, find those positive moments, and then grow from it.